Hi there. I'll start with the ONDO weekly chart to show you the Wyckoff market structure, then zoom into the daily chart for the shorter term setup. This is education content only, not financial advice. From a Wyckoff perspective, ONDO is currently right after the automatic rally stage of the accumulation cycle. It's sideways trading during this accumulation cycle, so as of this moment, from 0.24, the orange key level, all the way to the light blue key level of 0.47, that's the base case. Okay, that's sideways trading. For ONDO, it did not have that history. It doesn't have the history in the past, what it looks like in the previous cycle. So you may have to refer to my other sessions for some older projects that shows us in their previous accumulation cycle where the range was or how they look like. And for volume, after that climb to the automatic rally, as of this moment, it's higher than average, slightly higher than average, but it's not as high as before. Okay, so people are getting a little bit more cautious right now. Okay, the next one, in addition to the subsequent testing, coming back down to check out the paper hands, is something we call the sign of strength, meaning the price retests this light blue key level with higher than average volume, like what it did during the automatic rally. And for the shorter term time frame, the price has slightly edged outside of the falling channel box. Okay, it is in the short term still within the falling channel previously, but now it seems like the bulls are trying to get outside of it, and it is forming higher and higher lows. So if we draw a line to track it, just keep it at this level and below. So if this is really what's happening, all right, if it stays above the ceiling of the previous falling channel, it's basically confirming it is no longer traveling this way. Is that it is potentially edging up to challenge the 47 cents light blue key level. And the date to confirm whether it is going to break above it, showing us the real sign of strength, is somewhere near the 13th of August. So that means the price continues to trade above the yellow dash line, and eventually it will show us a 2C decision point, okay, somewhere close to mid-August. Either it continues with the uptrend, breaking the resistance level, or it changed from the uptrend to either sideways or even coming back down to test the yellow key level 30 cents. Okay, that's the other C. Either continuation or change. All right, if you're interested to access these sessions 2 days earlier, like the current channel members, join them now. See you in the next one. Thank you.